哟，早安！今天这是一个特别的企划，特别的单元。这个企划我觉得蛮厉害的是，我来开箱我们班同学的衣橱。我是天才。对于时尚学校来说，我们必须要开一下他们的衣橱，看一些什么屌东西。OK， 那我们话不多说，介绍一下我的 classmate Alberto。
Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Alberto Granese, I'm 27 years old, I'm from Chile, classmate of this great guy.
Yeah, we're gonna show you guys something like fucking awesome.
My last purchase, on sale for sure.
Anderson, Anderson.
Yeah, the Anderson stripe, long sleeve.
So it's like very new one, right? You haven't like
exactly.
The label, right?
Yeah.
How much is it?
It's like 300.
300?
Yeah, without the sale.
Without the sales. Okay, okay. Yeah. I know Alberto he really likes the stripes elements, right?
Exactly.
Like he has many clothes, have many stripes. Yeah, okay.
It's quite cool, right?
Yeah, it's fit on him, not fit on me. Like, where did you buy this?
In Tres Bien, it's a retail, a Sweden retail.
So like, when you travel around and you buy this one?
Yeah.
JW Anderson 的衣服，应该是他少数比较奢侈品的东西，因为 because you like the streetwear brands
exactly.
more, right?
Yeah,
more than
100%.
the luxury brand. Next one.
It's sunny. It's sunny.
Where is it from?
It's Milanese. It's brand new. I love their concept. The parade is also yellow, my favorite color.
One more stripes clothes. So, and where did you buy this?
Here in Italy. It's quite luxury, yeah.
Quite luxury. How much is it?
I don't know. Mostly the same of the W Anderson, probably.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really high price.
Yes.
I really like this one.
Braindead.
Braindead.
Yeah, from California.
Oh, is it a California brand?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Super colorful. Also has stripes.
Oh.
Something important.
One more stripes. But I like the design is like in the back like whole blue here, but in the front of the clothes it's like different colors, right?
Yeah.
And like here is the different stripes, different pattern. And I like the labels here. It's like exclusive label or the normal label.
I think it's the normal one.
Oh really?
I'm sure, yeah.
Their label is like quite sophisticated.
Yeah, and it's quite heavy cotton. It's cool.
Yeah.
It's super well made.
I think it's like 300 GSM or something else.
Want to try it?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, fits better on you.
How much is it?
120.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's
normal
not
prices.
yeah.
Like, but like, how many clothes did you have from braindead? Uncountable.
Maybe maybe 5.
Oh, 5?
Yeah, something like this.
Yeah, because I know you have long sleeves, right?
Exactly.
And no, hat.
Yeah.
You have hat. That's why I asked him for this video, because I always look at him like, oh, what are you wearing today? Yeah. Okay. Next one.
Supreme Maradona, classic.
So
no drugs.
So he's a like famous football player.
Yeah. The best of the history, I think.
Oh really?
Yeah.
But he's still alive?
No. He died like 3 years ago.
Okay.
He has so many problems with drugs, and this shirt says no drugs.
Oh, that's why. So he have no drug here. Okay. Like, because I really don't like the texture of the Supreme.
Yes, it's not the best quality.
Yeah, quite rough. I don't like it.
100% Supreme have good designs, but in general it's like skater clothes.
So how much is it? 100?
100?
Oh, it's quite a little bit expensive for me.
If you going to the store, in general it's not that expensive.
Yes.
The problem is they have not so many stock and the resellers.
Yeah. But the graphic here is nice.
Continue with graphic t-shirts.
I've never heard about this brand. Okay.
This brand is one of my favorite.
Your favorite? One of your favorite. Okay.
I used to work with them. It's Carne Volente.
It's
French.
Oh, it's French brand. Okay.
Yeah, it's French. Always has like body positive messages. Sex positive too.
Sex? Yeah. What about this?
Talking about doing hiking with a boner and naked.
And there's a
why not?
Here. But like, where did you buy this?
In this website, Carne Volente
website.
website.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's like a normal screen printing. And
I think it's made in Portugal.
Fabric in Portugal and made in Portugal and designed in France.
Yeah.
That's what a complicated t-shirt, huh? So how much is it? Let me guess. 45.
Yeah.
Something else.
Yeah, something like this.
When did you buy this?
6 months ago.
Okay.
But love this brand. Check it out. It's super cool.
So like 2 men and 2 women?
Yes, I think so.
Because they don't have dick here.
Yeah.
And let's begin with the winter collection. Okay.
It's quite cool, right? It's needles. It's from Japan.
Needles is very famous in Taiwan right now.
Nice. It's 100% good.
And where did you buy this?
In End Clothing. The retail is in Milano.
Yeah. Like, because in Milano we have a fucking huge end, right? Like 3 floors, right?
Yeah. Was in sale too. Because I wait for the sales always.
Yeah.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Good.
You know, when you wear this, it's not like a Japanese brand. Oh, it's like the buttons here is like a crystal something now, like a jade. Yeah, this is fucking cool.
Yeah, with the white t-shirt, some jeans.
Very soft, fucking soft. I think like this fabric is very similar to my House of Everest one.
Yeah.
It's very hot, right?
Yes.
Oh, fucking. Oh, it's very thick and heavy. Okay, hell yeah. I'm very fit with it, huh?
Yeah. It's cool.
Ooh. 哎，这个给几分？我觉得我穿的还不错。Oh, there's no pocket here.
No pockets.
If there's like 2 pockets here, it's like perfect.
Yeah, could be.
Right? Like you put something here, right?
It's true.
So how much is it?
With sale,
Yeah, with sale.
a little bit less than 200.
Oh,
Like 180.
oh,
Something
really?
like this, yes.
Oh, it's quite cheap.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
But you know the original price?
Something like 400. Actually, now, in this moment,
Yes.
all the retailers have that sale.
Yeah, I saw it
Yeah.
on the website. And, like, I'm crazy. Like the website always like 50%, 60%, like fucking crazy.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna buy something else.
Yeah, you have a lot of pieces of Billionaire Boys.
Yeah.
BBC Club.
Yeah, he knows it.
This is another brand I used to work with. Fucking awesome.
Awesome.
From California too. It's a little bit big.
How tall are you?
No, 8'2".
182?
Yes.
This brand is not very common in
No?
Taiwan. Yeah.
Good pieces, good prices.
I like the stripes here.
Yeah, super cool.
Stripes.
Exactly,
again.
like always. And also the polo neck.
Because I have never bought any polo shirts
No?
in my fucking whole life.
It's a super
Because
good brand.
It's not fit on me, you know, like
Okay.
it's like too formal.
It's a little bit mom and dad friendly, but it's super cool too.
But
For the street,
where did you get it?
the store when I used to work, it's called La Plage, Chile.
Yeah, because he was a store manager before,
Yeah.
right? So how many stores did you manage at that time?
2.
2 stores?
Yeah.
So it's like multi-brand store?
Multi-brand store, yeah.
So-
we bring Fucking Awesome, Carnevolente, the French one. I already
okay. Oh, so
showed
that's
you.
what you know. Okay.
Exactly.
Supreme?
No.
No?
No. Supreme don't have any retailers in the world. Retailers can...
Can get their items.
Yeah.
So like Palace?
It's the same. Just you can
Really?
just Palace and in Dover Street Market. Dime.
Dime, okay. Dime!
You know this
Yeah,
brand?
no,
Dime?
yes, I know, yeah. It's more like a skateboard brand, right?
Yeah.
Which brand is the most famous and popular one?
Maybe Obey?
Obey.
Yeah, because like the prices are not that high.
Yeah.
And the designs are super cool.
Master of multi-brand store.
This one is a Supreme.
The leaves and the branches.
Supreme.
Yeah, there's a label here.
Yeah.
Pocket here.
It's made in Germany.
So will it be like more expensive? So what is the price when you bought it?
Like 200?
200?
Yeah.
It's fine.
It's fine. Yeah, it's not
but
that
I
bad.
think the orange one price maybe
on
like
Graglen.
400, 500 I think, right?
Yeah, 300, 400, something like this.
The texture, the fabric is like how to say this? 绒毛的感觉啊.
No,
It looks thick, but it's not thick.
exactly. No, it's
Yeah.
like a summer season.
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like
yeah.
a mid-season jacket.
Yeah, when you can wear it in spring or autumn, I think it's fine.
Exactly. Actually, it looks super good with this Cortex.
Yeah, it's my clothes. It's like the things I will buy it, obviously.
It's not difficult to imagine you with this.
Yeah, 这个我会买耶，这是200 200 right?
Yeah, more or less. I will
200
check it out and send you the price.
蛮便宜的耶。Their own bars here. Yeah, it's quite nice. Oh, YKK zippers. Yeah, basically.
The last jacket, Barbour, one of my favorite brand, his Heritage. It's one of the 6 or 7 brands the royalty in England can use.
It's like very UK style.
Yeah, quite street. but formal at the same time.
Yeah.
If you wear with a baggy pants or with a shirt, it's super skater or
skater. Oh, they have
like this.
zipper here.
Yeah, and you can open like this.
Ah, like two-way. Okay.
For me, this is the best jacket in the history of the
In
jackets.
the history.
Yeah.
Ah, there's a hat here or
Yeah, you can buy a hat. Also, you can use like this.
这边有扣环，你可以扣住，让它可以不会漏风进去这样子啊。How much is it? I think it's like 500, 600.
Like 600? Yeah.
Shit.
But you can use this all your life. In 20 years, wearing exactly this jacket, maybe with not a baggy pants, like...
Yeah, this is the thing that will be never over fashion.
Never, never.
Yeah, never. Like classic things.
Yeah.
Yeah, very classic. No. Yeah, not that bad. Yes, like maybe I would give like 6 out of 10.
7.
7. 7. 7. Oh, it's fucking heavy.
Yeah.
Like
5
kilograms, something else, you know. Next one. It's a Italian brand.
Italian brand.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've never heard before.
It's mostly outdoor shoes, but now are getting super trendy. They make super good quality shoes, but also they are quite beautiful, right?
It's so heavy.
Yeah.
And they have the embroidery here.
This is a flower you just can find in the Dolomites. It's a mountain in Italy.
Would you wear this to hike?
No.
You know.
No. I use from
just walk.
rainy days and walk and going to cafeterias, overpriced cafeterias. It's Vibram technology too, Italian. They make soles for North Face, Columbia. It's Vibram. It's a technology.
For what? For like more comfortable?
Exactly.
Oh.
And more grip too.
Like how much is it?
Full price, like 400. Yes.
400?
Yeah.
Hey, he's a rich guy, huh?
No, not at all. I bought on sale. Yeah, it's quite new.
It's fucking new, huh?
It was made to sail. Sailors.
Sailors.
Because Prada has a team.
Yeah.
They have a ship. They sail, you know, in competitions.
Oh,
and that was
really?
famous for that. Yeah.
So the shape is very similar with Air Jordan 11.
Yeah, it's
Right?
true. Yeah,
right,
yeah.
right. And here's a Prada here, like a rubber things over here. Where did you get this?
eBay.
eBay?
Yeah.
You know,
because it's second hand.
You know, I never bought anything on eBay because I'm afraid, you know.
If you pay a little bit, you can get a certificate.
Ah.
I also wear baggy pants. Love this because it's more low key.
Yeah, it's very low key. Like if there's no any product here, I would not know like
That's
this
right.
is.
If you know, you know.
Yeah, if you know, you know. Yeah. Okay. Why did you buy these shoes? Is there any reason?
Because they are iconic. Super street. It depends of the way
How you wear.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But if you style in a streetwear, it looks super good. I buy it in like 250, something like this.
Yeah, quite cheap because like you know, like AJ4 they cost like 400, 500. And they also have a list like plastic bag here, like more luxury, right?
Exactly.
The status. Maybe this one. How do you think?
Love it. Actually, it fits perfect on you.
Really?
Yeah.
I cannot imagine I wear like.
It's maybe too big in sizes,
Yeah.
but the colors and everything is cool.
Okay, now I'm a chilly guy. I'm a chilly guy. Rated 1 to 10 on the comment below. That's all of his items, so I very appreciate that he let me to get into his house to see all his fucking awesome things. Grazie mille.
Grazie a te.
Grazie mille. Ci vediamo domani.
Ci vediamo domani.
明天还有学校干呀。
He's learning some Italian. It's good.
Good?
Yeah.
It's quite hard, you know. It's the
Piano piano.
Good piano. You know, piano have like 2 meanings, right? One is slowly,
Yeah.
and another one is like a floor.
Exactly.
Yes.
And also it's the instrument.
Yeah, and also instrument. So that is why Italian is so difficult. Like there's 3 meanings in fucking one word.
It's true.